Monstera Deliciosa is an ornamental houseplant reaching almost 10 feet tall indoors. Its large, glossy, harp-shaped leaves can reach almost 36 inches long and 30 inches wide. The leaves on younger plants usually don't display the characteristic hose until they start growing larger. Monsteras prefer bright to medium indirect or partially shaded lighting conditions. However, the plant becomes floppy and stretches out in low light. Water once every week during the summer and less during the winter months when growth slows down. The plant thrives best in humidity levels of 60 to 80% for proper growth. Regular misting can help maintain humidity, or it's recommended to invest in a humidifier. You could also prepare a pebble tray underneath the plant. By partially filling a tray of pebbles with water and place your pot on top. Humidity will increase around the plant when the water evaporates. It is a tropical plant and requires a minimum temperature level between 55 and 59 degrees Fahrenheit for steady growth. It can tolerate temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit, but it will stop growing if the temperature drops below 50. Monsteras can be fed during spring and summer with an all-purpose liquid fertilizer, about half a teaspoon mixed in a gallon of water. Do not feed the plant in winter. It is known to be toxic to pets as well as humans if the leaves are ingested, causing irritation and swelling. One indication when you should repot is when you see the leaves drooping or becoming discolored. It is a sign that the plant needs fresh soil. Younger plants need repotting every year, while older plants can be done once in 2 years. There's no specific season to do this. It can be done at any time, but the plant will benefit and thrive if repotted in early spring. Once you've repotted the plant in a larger pot, simply top off with fresh potting mix once a year rather than repotting, as older monsteras prefer to be pot-bound. Remove dry or dead leaves anytime you see them, leaving any major pruning for spring or summer, making sure to clean them before and after pruning. Propagating monsteras by simply cutting off a healthy part of the stem from the plant, with several leaves and aerial roots, then transfer to a pot filled with soil. Cuttings can also be rooted in water until new growth and roots appear. Monsteras need a lot of space to grow. Growing the plant in low lighting conditions will restrict growth if you don't want it to spread out too much. Rotate the pot once a month to help it grow evenly. Leaves should be wiped to remove dust and to check for pests. Overwatering will make the leaves develop dark spots and become yellow. Underwatering will make the leaves turn brown. Fungus might start growing in pot soil and the stems will become soft and mushy if the plant is overwatered. The fungus can also attack leaves, particularly if they get wet. Cut off affected leaves to stop them from spreading. The plant might require more light if the holes don't form. This can be remedied by increasing lighting conditions. While monsteras are very resistant to pets, insects like scale and spider mites can still attack. Use neem oil to control any pest infestation.